Hello again and welcome to plan number 3. This is one of my favorite floor plans here in Alpine Ridge. This home features a private courtyard, next gen suite, and a 3 to 4 bedroom option. Come and take a look. So one of the highlights here of plan number 3 is this private courtyard, which I really love because you can entertain your friends and family. Also has an access here to an ensuite to the right. And then here behind me, you have your front door entrance. Let's go take a look at that. So just imagine walking in and the first thing you see is a view of the beautiful backyard and the tall ceilings. Plan number 3 is the biggest floor plan of the Alpine Ridge series. This home features 2,745 square feet. It has 3 to 4 bedroom options, but take a look at this kitchen. Can you imagine having a kitchen design like this where you can cook your food and also interact with people in the living room and your dining room area? So now that is one of the reasons this is one of my favorite floor plans. Now as we walk into the primary bedroom, these are pretty similar with plan number 2 and plan number 3 with the same vaulted ceilings. Bathroom kind of differs a bit. This one has a wall-to-wall stand-up shower. The other one did have a tub. Another highlight from this floor plan is how the primary closet connects to the mudroom and the laundry area. From the laundry area, it wraps you around back to the front, and here we would have the other bedrooms. And lastly, we have the Gensmart Suite. Hope you enjoy this tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.